Hi all, I am Lidhun Krishna and I recently completed a 1-month Data Analyst Internship at Skoliko. I would like to share a brief overview of my experience. During the internship, I worked as a part of 5-member team on a project called Regional Sales Analysis. Our objective was to analyze sales data from different regions and generate insights that could support better business decisions. Using Power BI along with data cleaning and transformation techniques, we created interactive dashboards and reports. We analyzed key metrics such as revenue, profit, trends, product performances, customer preferences, and regional sales distribution. This project helped us identify high-performing regions, understand customer purchasing behavior, and evaluate the effectiveness of different sales channels. The internship provided me with valuable hands-on experience in data analytics and strengthened my skills in Power BI, data visualization, teamwork, communication, and problem solving. I would like to thank Skoliko, my mentors, and my teammates for their guidance and support throughout this journey.